See-Through Safari, a peekaboo book. This is made by Lamaze, an infant development system. Subscribe if you want more baby books. Tiger and monkey like playing peekaboo. Here comes elephant. He wants to play too. There's a giraffe. She's easy to spot. But who's in the grass? He's roaring a lot. Who is that? What do you think that is? That is Growly Lion, can't you see? But who is green and scaly peeking out at me? Who's that green and scaly animal back there? Let's see. Hi there, crocodile. You've been found. Are there any more peekaboo animals around? There's a leopard and zebra and hippo too. How many peekaboo animals are looking at you? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I see 10 animals peeking at you. The end. Thank you everyone for watching. We hope you enjoyed this wonderful baby book. If you like baby books, subscribe so I know you want more baby books. Thanks, bye.